Do you have a performance review coming up, or a connect, as we call them here at Microsoft? Are you having a one-on-one with your manager and you need to understand how your customers and other internal folks, external folks are thinking about your performance? Or do you just need a Friday afternoon pick-me-up like me? Well, I've got a solution: the Copilot Cowork, Kudos, and Wins Miner. I'm Earl. I'm a principal Copilot solutions engineer here at Microsoft, and I'm going to show you exactly how the Kudos and Wins Miner and Copilot Cowork can help you. Let's go. The Kudos and Wins Miner is a prompt that I created in something called the Cowork Toolkit, which is a collection of prompts to help you get started in Copilot Cowork. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to Personal Productivity, Kudos and Wins Miner, and this is where I'll see the prompt, the apps involved, the complexity, a description, and I'll just copy the prompt over here, and then I'm going to bring it into Copilot Cowork. So I'll just paste it here in Cowork, and it's going to show me exactly what it's going to do. Look at my email, my Teams chats, meeting transcripts, signals from projects that are throughout my work IQ. And then it's going to compile the results. So there it goes. Because I had this parameter for time period, Cowork is asking me how far back I want to go. So I'll choose 90 days. And we see over here that Cowork has broken down this task into a number of subtasks that it's going to work on together in parallel, however it chooses to orchestrate those. And the result is this amazing wins and recognition log that I can use as input for my connect, for my performance review, for my next manager one-on-one meeting. We see it has recurring themes, suggested talking points, and you can massage this prompt and tweak it however it works for you or for your format. So who can use this prompt? You can. Anyone in your organization can, that's looking for feedback about their job performance, that wants to add that feedback into a performance review, that wants to get ready for their next one-on-one with their manager or their manager's manager, right? Or someone that just wants a good pick-me-up on a Friday afternoon. It's Friday, I'm gonna go get one. Thanks.